This thing has definitely seen some better days. This thing is absolutely destroyed. Oh my gosh, you can literally lift it up. So if you guys don't know, about when did I mold this? Like a year ago? Something like that? I molded this duckbill onto my trunk like a year ago, and over time this thing pretty much just cracked. I think it's from my subwoofers. I think so. The crack has literally just been growing ever since, and the thing has got to go.
Go ahead.
You want to rip it off?
I don't want to rip it off.
Why not? Let's just do it. Come on.
Me?
Yeah. Well,
1, 2.
it's only.
Go.
Go.
Hey, I thought you were gonna do it.
Just pull it. Just pull it. Oh my gosh. Imagine if I drive like that.
You got like.
That looks so
duckbills,
funny.
bro.
This is so rusty. So yeah, this is my old color. Or no, this was not even my.
This was your
before the
second
blue. Yeah,
color.
like 2 colors ago.
Didn't even touch the glue, bro.
Are you serious?
No. Maybe this part did, but not this part.
What a waste. I thought it did. So it was mostly just held with the Bondo.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready? It should be pretty straightforward. It doesn't look that difficult. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. My gosh, you can literally see so much of the blue. Wow. We're gonna first start off with all the lighting, wiring, and stuff. Pull it through that end, because I think this is where it all comes through out, right?
Yeah.
This is where it all comes
you just
through.
gotta yank it out.
A little rubber. Oh, there you go. Let's give it a good tug.
There you go.
There you go. There's 4 12 millimeters, 2 on that side, 2 on this side. For the bottom ones right here, you can't really fit like a socket. So what we're using is a ratcheting wrench. It's just such a tight space. So the only thing that can really fit through here is a wrench.
It's pretty light.
This thing is so clean. I cannot wait to put this on the car. Alright, so this is the VIS carbon fiber trunk with the little, you see the duckbill? Dude, it's gonna look so sick. What do you guys think? I should just run my car like this? Imagine, dude, I drove the car just like this. So we have the trunk bolted on now. Before we go ahead and install the little lights that go right here for the license plate, I actually got some new ones in the mail, which I haven't put in yet because those actually burned out. I think it's these.
Oh, it's done.
No.
No.
So we ran into a problem already. These things seem to not want to fit onto the trunk, which I assumed that we were going to run into some type of problem with it, because since these are aftermarket trunks, the fitment is not going to be like OEM quality, so there's going to be some imperfections with like aftermarket stuff. I pretty much guessed it that these things were not going to fit perfect. The thing looks like it's literally about to snap off. Sounds like you're clipping your toenails or something.
It's cutting pretty deep.
Some slight modifications. I was thinking about it for a little bit. Since I'm running subwoofers, I went ahead and took the extra precaution and put a little bit of 3M tape on the outside just to hold it down more securely. Yeah, it looks kind of ugly, but we're not gonna be able to see it anyways because it's gonna be hiding. Wait, where is it? Yeah, it's gonna be hiding behind there, so it's ugly, but it works. It is 3 to 4 days after the clips that you guys just saw right now. So I apologize for leaving you guys with a cliffhanger pretty much with that trunk install. But real quick, I want to interrupt today's video with this special announcement. We have officially reached 25,000 subscribers. I am beyond thankful and blessed to announce that to you guys. It is crazy, man. 25,000, like, you guys overwhelm me with the love and support you guys show me. I don't know what to say sometimes because it's crazy, man. In simpler terms, I just want to give you guys a huge thank you. Like, literally, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys show me on the channel. It literally puts the biggest smile on my face whenever I wake up in the morning, knowing I have amazing supporters like you guys. If you guys don't know yet, I told you guys I am hosting a 25,000 subscriber giveaway, and we can now launch the giveaway. So stay tuned for the next video. I will give you guys the full details and what exactly I'll be giving away. So be sure not to miss the upcoming video. Just right now, I was looking at the vision board and pretty much reflecting when I made the vision board, and it is crazy to think that I made this at 4,000 subscribers. It's crazy to see how far the channel has come from then. It may not seem like a lot to you guys, but from me, I literally remember exactly when I was making this vision board. So far, we've already took off 2 of these subscriber milestones. So next is 30,000. Next year, 2020, this right here will not be here. We have to finish the install with the trunk. Well, the trunk is already installed. We just have to do a few minor touch-ups to complete the whole install, I guess I can say. The 2016 model, which I do have right now, has a backup camera, and with the aftermarket trunks, it doesn't have like a slot where you can put the backup camera through. So I actually have to modify the trunk and cut my own hole to fit the backup camera through there. That's what we're gonna be doing today. It hurts, I know, like I'm gonna be drilling and cutting into my brand new carbon fiber trunk, but it has to be done because literally I rely on this backup camera so much, and driving without it makes the biggest difference. This is the stock, I guess you could say, trunk garnish. As you can see, it has this little indentation for the backup camera, and this is the VIS carbon one, which doesn't have an indentation. So this is one of the things that we will have to cut up. Alongside that, we will have to cut up the actual trunk to put the backup camera through. So it'll probably be around this area right here. As you can see from the stock trunk, we have this little square right here. So I'm gonna pretty much have to match up the carbon trunk with this square right here. Boy, where did you come from? Did you escape again, huh? You escaped your house again? The proper tool needed for that would be a Dremel, but I don't have a Dremel, so I'm gonna have to kind of come up with something to make a square. What I thought about doing was getting a big drill bit and then drilling like 4 corners in the shape of a square, then pretty much just like drilling multiple holes until that square can be popped out. If that makes sense. That is the only way that I thought would work without using a Dremel, which I don't have, so fingers crossed that works. It should work. So I made some markings right there. Pretty much what's next is full send. Oh my gosh. All right, screw it, full send. This is the hole we have so far with just a drill bit. It's pretty close, not gonna lie. It's not the prettiest thing ever. It's gonna be hiding behind this anyways. It's a little bit too small, just a tiny bit too small, so shave off a little bit of the bottom right here. Check that out. Dude, that is literally like perfect too. Oh my god. Dude, I can't believe I made that just from a freaking drill bit with no Dremel. And there you have it. I'm glad that we have the camera back onto the FRS. Fits perfect. Literally looks OEM. I am so happy with how it came out. It looks so good. 100 times better than the duckbill, the molded duckbill that I had before. Let me know what you guys think right now down in the comment section below. Do you guys prefer the carbon fiber trunk or the previous one with the molded duckbill? So I'm big on like self-growth and like mindset stuff and just like becoming a better person in general, which I want to share more with you guys because I want you guys to take something from me as a person. So whenever I leave this earth, you guys can take something from me. Say I'm filming a video and I learned something that day, or I learned something like the day before. I want to share something with you at the end of the video that holds like an important part of my heart that I think would help you guys and that helped me. For example, today I want to talk about something that I literally just watched earlier from Steve Harvey. I'm pretty sure you guys know who Steve Harvey is, but I heard this quote from him. Now I don't know if he made it, but he said this quote in one of his videos. But he had mentioned how sometimes we get caught up in like complaining. Like at work, we wake up, we're miserable, we're like, why do we have to go to work? We just start complaining about everything. Yes, people, we all complain, we're not perfect. We tend to complain in situations like that or take things for granted. He said in the video, I can't complain what's on my plate when my whole goal this time was to eat. So let that sink into your mind. That did something to me. I was just like, whoa. So I'm gonna leave that there for you guys. Let me know what you guys think of stuff like that. I want to incorporate more of that stuff at the end of my videos, so I'm gonna just leave that there for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like on the video and comment down below what you guys think of the new trunk onto the FRS. It looks so good. I literally cannot get over it. Once again, thank you guys so much for 25,000 subscribers. Stay tuned for the next video. I will be revealing all the details involving the giveaway and how you guys can win a free car part. I love you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day or night, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.